Hey guys, it's the PenguiinBeast. This song goes out to a special someone. You know who you are. Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain. A baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain. The school books say it can be here again. Chocolate rain. The prison makes you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and say the world is dry. Chocolate rain. Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain, forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain makes us happy living again. Only in the past, only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain, neighborhood insurance rates. Chocolate rain. Why the fuck is he talking about insurance rates? What the fuck, dude? Chocolate rain made me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain made you turn your head the other way. Chocolate rain. Fuck!
Tell us what you're here for. Focus.
Chocolate rain, some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate rain, a baby born will die before the sin. Chocolate rain, the school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain, the prison makes you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain, build a tent and say the world is right. Chocolate rain, zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain, forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain makes us happy living again. No, wait. Only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain, neighborhood insurance rates. Chocolate rain. Why the fuck is he talking about insurance rates? What the fuck, dude? Chocolate rain made me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain made you turn your head the other way. Chocolate rain.